There are no less than 40 million garment workers in Southeast Asia, as Indonesia is one of the major producers of textiles. We all know of the challenges in the sector when it comes to labor rights. But on top of that, COVID-19 has been devastating for the sector, still leaving thousands unemployed and facing poverty. For those who are employed, problems such as low wages, unpaid or extreme overtime work, health and safety issues are everyday concerns. On top of that, trade unions and their freedom of association are often suppressed. At the same time, economic pressure is mounting on both Asian garment manufacturers in countries such as Indonesia, as well as on the brands that are sourcing there. But is this a hopeless situation with no solution? Not at all. The answer is working together with suppliers, international brands and workers and trade unions to make sure garments are an economic driver for all. For the last 12 years, CNV International has been working hard together with local partners to achieve better conditions for workers in the Indonesian garment sector. One of our main tools, multi-company collective bargaining agreements.
Menurut kami, MCCBA merupakan perjanjian kerja bersama yang efektif karena dilakukan melalui dialog sosial nyata yang membawa banyak manfaat bagi seluruh mitra yang terlibat. MCCBA ini terbukti telah sangat berkontribusi terhadap beberapa permasalahan ketenagakerjaan yang dihadapi di industri ini, seperti mendukung kebebasan berserikat karena melalui perundingan bersama pekerja benar-benar terwakili.
CNV International contributes to the social dialogue between employers and trade unions. The unions are, after all, the most effective representation of the workers' voice. They know what's going on the work floor. Through social dialogue, collective bargaining agreements are negotiated that tackle issues like low wages and health and safety concerns. To get more workers and companies involved in CBAs, we created multi-company CBAs that can be implemented faster and at a greater scale. CNV International piloted these in Java in collaboration with unions and factories and supported by the government. They proved successful for workers, but also for employers. Productivity was boosted, the number of strikes decreased, and workers' satisfaction increased.
Jadi, bagi kami sebagai pihak pengusaha, PKB multi perusahaan sangat baik dan menguntungkan. Tentu juga dengan mengukur tantangan yang dihadapi masing-masing perusahaan. Sehingga tantangan di industri ini bisa kita hadapi bersama. Ini juga memunculkan kebersamaan yang erat bagi semua perusahaan yang terlibat di perjanjian PKB multi perusahaan.
Now it is time for brands to get involved too.
The demands on companies to implement global labor standards are increasing. In fact, doing due diligence is no longer based on initiative or goodwill, but it has become an obligation in many cases. With all of the recent HRDD legislation coming up, such as CSDDD, supporting an MCCBA can be an incredibly impactful and effective way of doing due diligence for companies.
Kunci dari keberhasilan peningkatan hak pekerja atau buruh, salah satunya ada pada komitmen buyer, di mana mereka dapat memotivasi suppliernya untuk bergabung dalam program MCCBA dan mendukung dialog dengan pekerja atau buruh dan serikat pekerja atau serikat buruh secara berkelanjutan.
Together, we can expand on the successful work of the MCCBAs in Indonesia, enhance the position of workers in the garment sector, and create a win-win situation for companies, international brands, and trade unions. Let's get to work.